Welcome. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the steps to disable email notifications on Facebook using your PC. With the latest update, it's easier than ever to manage your online presence and cut down on unwanted emails. Let's dive in. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to facebook.com. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the page. There, you'll see your profile picture. Click on it to continue. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will reveal more options for managing your account. Now, go ahead and click on Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down the left-hand side until you see the Notifications option. Click on it to explore your notification preferences. Now, as you scroll down the Notifications page, pay attention to the section labeled Email. This is where you can manage your email preferences. Under Email Frequency, you'll notice different options available. To reduce the number of emails you receive, simply choose Required Notifications. This setting ensures that you'll only get essential updates, keeping your inbox clutter-free. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled unnecessary email notifications on Facebook. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.